I just remembered I had a special request for cleaning one of these fine automobiles, and I neglected to film it. So shame on me. But this is a 2003 Lincoln Town Car. You can see it's got some marks and imperfections up here from heading up and down the interstates, which is bound to happen. Doesn't matter, including this one, which is that one kind of stinks. It's a little bigger than probably one would want to deal with. But anyways, looking back here, on my trip to Florida, I encountered some bugs called midges, M-I-D-G-E-S. And there you can see them flowing out. These things, well, they're it is just disgusting. They only live for about 8 hours, I believe. And they leave behind this nastiness. So I'm gonna get a glove on and get rid of all this, because do not need to be touching that. That is gross. But part of the reason for doing that is because you do not want to keep your trunk trough here full of leaves and dirt, because that'll actually hold moisture, which is what causes issues with seam sealer. So go ahead and grab my mittens, pop these on. My mittens for the midges, and clean these out. This is disgusting. Ugh. Gross. Oh man, it just got on the side of the car. This is so gross. Oh, yuck. Oh, it's so gross. Ugh. Look at all these dead midges. Ugh. Gonna have to use a hose to get them out. Well, at least get the remnants of them out, hopefully. Man, it's so nasty. Ugh. Thousands and thousands of them. Gross. Thank you, Central Florida. Ugh. So we get the hose. Ooh, it's all slimy. Oh, that's so gross. That is so gross. Okay. Now if this dang hose would follow through. Whoop. Watch some of the leftovers falling out. That is so gross. Nasty, nasty, nasty. This hose is not long enough. Bah! Whoop. Oh man, I got it down the side of the car too. I'm gonna have to move those, but you get the idea. Get all this nastiness out.